And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make slime. So let's get right into the video in about right now. Okay, so now what we're going to do.
So we already put some glue.
Yeah, we already put the glue.
Food coloring. She's doing pink and I'm doing blue. And we only did a job to get this color.
And she did paint.
I did this acrylic paint. But you could do whatever you want, like whatever color you want.
I did teal and like.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit.
But it turned into this color. But try if you want teal slime, get green food coloring and mix it with blue. So we're just trying to. So now, and for today of this video, right now we are making fluffy slime. And we're just mixing it in until like no color is showing. I'm all done, but I don't know about Dior.
Yeah, I'm done. Okay, now what you do is you take the saline solution. You can use any saline solution or contact solution or borax or Tide, but I prefer for me saline solution.
Yeah, me too.
Because borax is actually more toxic than saline solution is.
Yeah.
Is there a certain amount you should be putting in?
Yes.
No, it doesn't actually matter.
No, it doesn't.
It only matters if like
too much.
It only matters if if you put too much, it's okay, and if you want it to be fluffy slime, you just add lots of shaving cream, because then it will just still turn into fluffy slime. So it doesn't really matter actually.
So you want to add a little at a time?
Yeah.
So mix. So put some in, stir, put in, stir. And then do it 4 times, and then I'm just going to keep mixing until we get it right, slime consistency.
Okay. Wait, which one is
now we're going to put some shaving cream.
Now we're going to put shaving cream.
You gotta shake the shaving cream. Here you go.
That one actually is watery.
No, it should work.
It still works.
Oh, maybe you want to use the other one, Cam.
Yeah.
Use the other one. Wow. That's really fluffy. Okay, you got a lot in there.
That's good. Now I'm starting mixing. Yeah. And you can use whatever shaving cream you want, but I definitely prefer that you use that type of shaving cream.
Barbasol?
Yeah, Barbasol. Because it's really good. It makes it really good and fluffy.
Yeah.
And always use Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue. Never use any other glue, because if you use a different type of glue that's not Elmer's glue, it actually can make your slime really chunky. That's what I did once. I tried different types of glues, and it made my slime really chunky.
Or you can, but if you want, you can use clear glue.
Yeah.
But then it will not make it so fluffy.
No, it can still make it fluffy.
Well, it could still make it fluffy, but it might maybe not, but I don't know. So you try that at home, and you can even try it as an experiment. And I got an accent today, so. What?
You got a what
Solution.
today?
I got an accent.
Solution. No, you don't need any more of that. You need some more solution. You don't need more of that. Too fluffy already. Use solution, Cam.
Mommy. Okay, so yeah, and so I'm going to mix it up and then put some more solution.
And then if you have too much for your containers, we're using these small containers, but if you have too much, what you could do is you take your hand and you spread it like that off, and then it won't make it, and then you can save that one for later if you make more slime and add that to that slime that barely has any.
Oh my gosh, look at
That's what I do. This is cotton candy slime.
You both have cotton candy slime. You have pink cotton candy and you have blue cotton candy.
Yeah.
No, don't do that. Use that. You guys are ready to, you need it with your hands, I think, no?
Actually, I need some more solution.
Yeah, I need more solution. Oh my gosh.
I got
Thank you. No.
And I have bigger containers too if you want to keep it all in one container.
No.
And we might be mixing this together.
And I think mine is not going to fit in our container, so we're just probably going to scrape it off like I said.
And I can give you another container.
Color, and add a different color and put it, because we bought 4 containers.
Yeah.
Keep it in there. Keep it in the bowl.
I'm trying to really knead it and play with it. Could I have some more solution? Thank you. It's starting to get off my hands, but I think I need a little more. Can someone give me some?
Sure.
No, in my hand.
Why don't you grab the spoon out? Grab the spoon out of there, Cam.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah, and just so you know, if you make a big batch of slime like I did, which I didn't make you, and just so you know, when you add lots of shaving cream into yours, when you want to make it fluffy, even if you have a really small container, it makes it really big because it's fluffy.
Off. Yeah, cut it. I would prefer to cut it off.
Not cut it, like scrape it off. with
Yeah,
your
like
hands.
scrape it.
Take the spoon out of there, Cam.
Yeah. But Mommy, you're not in the video. Okay, I need my.
Put that on the side.
And this, it might not be stretchy, but that's okay.
You're doing some really good kneading in there.
Us both or just?
Both of you. Don't worry about what's on your hands. Just keep doing the kneading.
Yeah.
Watch what she does. Watch how she does it.
We'll watch it out.
You poke, and once it's like start poking, you.
Like you're baking.
Yeah.
You're kneading. Like you're kneading the dough.
Yeah. So,
Take it off all the sides,
So
Cam.
listen to her. Listen what the outside voice is saying, because that's just our extra helper. If we write a script and then we'll focus on the lines, and then so if we forgot the line, she would be our helper to remind us.
Really big and fluffy.
Cam, you need some help kneading?
No.
Cam, should I help you?
No, I'm good.
Here, when you put the sitting position, you poke it, and then you grab the sides and you put it in.
Yeah, and then grab the sides and put it in.
This is really fluffy. I think it's fluffy.
Mine looks like a cloud.
Yeah.
It feels like a cloud too.
I can't believe this worked because we have slime filled.
Get it off the side, Cam. You got all that in there. You can take it off the sides of your bowl.
The more bigger the batch you make, the more time it takes for you to knead it.
Oh, yeah. And that's how many containers of glue did you both use?
2. But because it's really big, I know we only used really small bottles, but because it's really big,
You used a lot of shaving cream.
yeah, because we used a lot of shaving cream to make it fluffy.
Yeah,
That's how you make it really fluffy. And look, it's really pink when I poke it. So look at that. It's light pink on the outside.
You guys want some glitter?
Deal. Oh, we should put glitter in the next slime we make.
Okay.
Yeah, next slime.
So we're not putting any glitter, unfortunately.
You want to each take half of that out, put it in a container, and then you can add pink and you can add blue, and then you'll have purple?
Yeah. Oh yeah, just so you know, sometimes if the slime sticks to you, it might be because your hands are warm.
No, you don't need more, honey. You're good.
sometimes we know how to make slime, but we're not.
I'm done.
But like we add too much, so like we get some slime fails, or even on videos, like whatever it takes, like it's still like.
And see how it's not, this here in mine.
Yeah.
See how it's not gonna fit in my container? Because look how big this is compared to this. Okay. So what you do is you just put it in the container. Look, it barely fits. Look at that. It doesn't fit. My spoon's coming in with it. Look, it doesn't even fit. What you do is you take your hand and you just scrape some of that off.
It's so warm out.
Scrape that off. And you can put that in a different container and put a different color.
We're really happy with our slimes right now.
Just scrape some more off so the lid can poke inside.
So she's
You want your container?
and actually she's giving me a blue slime
So
also.
there it is.
Nice.
And then you just set
And
that
it's a
to
D
the
for
side.
Dior. Camden, you want yours?
And then
Yeah.
what you can do
There you
is
go.
you see this slime right here, it's already made because that's the same slime that I had here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a different color. Can I actually have glitter for this one?
Yep. Let her finish putting hers in and getting hers
I'm
out.
going to do some, oh my god, one of them was leaking.
Can someone help me with this? Cause like I don't know. Like,
Yep. If you want to,
Dior, can you?
Sure, wait, I need to close this because you didn't close it all the way and it's leaking.
Oh, okay.
And it's getting all over my hands.
Okay, Dior, can you help me?
Yeah. It's good. Put that down for me. Look, it doesn't fit. Scrape it off with your hand and then try and see if the lid fits. And if it doesn't fit, then you're done.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, help! Someone help me!
Oh wait,
Can someone just
she
do
needs
this
help
for
doing
me?
it. Can you help her do it?
Can someone just do this for me?
put it in.
Alright,
For you.
let's put it in.
Here, give me it.
Yeah. My hair's like all crazy.
Oh, don't do that in your hair. You'll ruin your hair. You have all those good things in there.
Put that back in your bowl, please. Give me your lid.
So right now we're also gonna do an example while playing with it, and we're going to show you guys.
Okay, so I'm going to stop this video. Yes? You want to say goodbye and then we'll start on the new one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching
our video.
our video. And we're going to have another video where we make more slime, but it's going to be glossy slime.
Yeah.
So bye.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned and make sure you watch that video. We're probably going to do it today, and we're going to post it tomorrow. Okay, so bye.
Bye.